In this video today, I would like to tell you the reasons why Hindi medium students cannot speak English properly. Well, the reasons are very, very proper, and I would like to tell you till the end, you definitely get agreed with my 5 points that I'm going to describe in this video today. That yes, Hindi medium students cannot speak English properly. So, without wasting time, let's get started.
Brought to you by My Career Doctor.
Most trusted spoken English and career counseling clinic.
हम स्पोकन इंग्लिश के साथ योगा, फिटनेस एवं पर्सनल करियर काउंसलिंग देकर आपको बनाते हैं स्मार्ट, कॉन्फिडेंट एंड अप टू डेट.
My dear friends, I do not want to insult you or demotivate you that if you come from Hindi background, you cannot speak English. Well, there are 10% students, even in Hindi boards or from Hindi medium or Hindi speaking, part there, they do very good job. I mean, they speak very good English. Why? Because they are very, very sincere. They are, very much dedicated towards learning English and they come from a very good background. I mean, they have a very good environment. This is why they speak proper English. The question is, why are they not able to speak English? Without wasting time, let's get started. But before that, I'm going to tell you some facts that regarding English. In our country, India is the second largest English speaking country. It is after USA, it is the second largest country after the United States. Only 10% of the Indian population can speak English. Or out of this 10%, only 80% of these 10% Indians speak, out of this 10%, 80%, people don't speak fluent English. In India, people learn English as a second or third language. For example, I come from Darbhanga, Mithilanchal, Bihar. So, Maithili is my first language, Hindi is my second language, and English is my third language. Maybe for people of Tamil Nadu, Tamil is their first language and English is second language. But it's if I talk about the people of Bengal, Bengali is their first language and then can be Hindi second language or English third language. But a majority of Bengali people, they don't prefer to speak in Hindi. So for them, English can be their second language. Like people of Noida, Gujri is the first language, Hindi is second language and English is third language. So we have to go through a lot of difficulties here. One thing I would like to tell you, that is speaking very good English like a Britisher, like an American is not a big idea. It's just a language. If we speak even in broken English or broken, if we don't have very good vocabulary and all, it's just a language. So we should know how to communicate with people. Still, Hindi medium students fail, and the most important reason behind this is lack of environment. The first reason is there is no environment. I would like to give you two examples. Well, cricket is the most difficult game ever I have seen in my life. It might it might sound funny for you because you know how to play cricket. And here in India, at every nook and corner, either in village or city, everyone knows, this means 4 run, this means 6 runs, this means wide. Everyone knows why, because we have environment. And since childhood, when we are born, हम बैट पकड़ लेते हैं. This is why we know how to play cricket. Ask to those who have never played cricket, they will tell it's very, very difficult. Ask to Americans, they will definitely tell that playing cricket is a very difficult task. But ask to general Indian, they'll tell playing cricket is very easy, but speaking English is very difficult. Why? Because we have environment for cricket, we don't have environment for speaking or practicing English. Second thing, from academic background, everyone knows about maths. Maths is very difficult for a lot of majority of students, but for Hindi medium students, generally they feel very much comfortable with maths because since childhood, at very first, they start calculating or they start making maths and solving maths, and also Hindi medium students are quite comfortable with maths, although maths is the universal language. It is also said that it is the language of the God. Everything we see around us has some patterns and they can be decoded through maths only. So maths, I consider, is one of the best and the difficult subjects and language ever. English is not that much difficult, maths is. But Hindi medium students can solve maths very easily. But when it comes to speak English, they do not speak because we do not have supportive environment. Here, if somebody tries to speak, your neighbors will tell, oh, अंग्रेज मनने चला है, और if you come from नोएडा, घना अंग्रेज बने हैं, I mean something like that, you will hear that sounds very awkward and you feel demotivated, discouraged. So there is no environment. And if the, I mean, you ask what kind of environment we have for boys, this environment here in our country, for girls this environment, they are mostly involved. So for selfie, for which filter to apply, what not to apply, they are expert at it. Boys expert in this, girls expert. I mean, I'm just not making any comment and all, but this is the reality and harsh reality that we should accept, that for useless things we know everything, but for good thing that can help us, they are not interested in. First, there is no proper environment. Second most important reason is there is negative attitudes towards English. All the English learners, those who are, I mean, they are supposed to learn English. Let's suppose you are a student, you should learn English before matriculation. But what I have noticed, till matriculation there is a rumor, especially in Hindi speaking belt, I have seen English पढ़ के जब पास फेल से कोई फर्क नहीं होता तो पढ़ के फायदा क्या, पास तो हो ही जाएंगे. तो दे इग्नोर इंग्लिश टिल 10th, दे इग्नोर इंग्लिश टिल 12th, फिर रट्टा मार मार के ये पास हो जाते हैं. एंड ऑलवेज आई टेल, पासिंग एग्जामिनेशन इज नॉट अ बिग डील. वो तो आप बिना ट्यूशन के भी पास हो जाएंगे, ऐसी संरचना है, शिक्षा तंत्र है. But when it comes to pass in life, you definitely will fail because you do not know how to communicate in English. So my dear friends, then they ignored in 12, they ignored till graduate, and they go for English when it comes to their life. I mean, bread and butter. They don't get job, they do not get married, they do not get success in business. Then at the end, they try to learn English. So can I say there is very negative attitude. They should practice before 10th, but they practice after graduate or getting married. So this is the reason people, I mean Hindi medium students, do not learn English. Third very important reason is that teachers misguide. I tell you why. Everywhere, not all teachers, but I have noticed when I was a student, I was also told by my maths teacher, my science teacher, my other teachers, that English में क्या रखा है, एग्जाम से एक दिन पहले ऐसे कुछ ब्रह्मास्त्र दे दूंगा, जाके तुम पास हो जाओगे. गुरुजी, scoring well in examination is not a big deal, because the motto of a student should not be to score well in maths, I mean exam. Of course that should be, it is materialistic world, everywhere people check our marks sheet and all, but more than it is the moral duty of teachers, they should tell students that instead of focusing on exam only, they should focus on life. Because our intention is not to pass the 3 hours examination. Our intention is to pass the whole life, I mean to pass the examination of life. So teachers misguide students, and they instill such environment, such atmosphere in students that it's not necessary. And this is why students feel, oh, जब गुरुजी कह रहे हैं कि ये जरूरी नहीं है तो पढ़ के फायदा क्या. So they skip in 10, they skip in 12, they skip in graduate, and they learn when without English that they cannot survive. So these 3 reasons are the major reasons. Their students, I mean, what I want to tell you is that learning English is not a big deal. It's so easy. It's like rice plate eating. But why students fail? Because we don't have such environment. Like we play cricket, that's very difficult game, but we play. Why? Because we have such environment. We solve maths. Why? Because we have that attitude. But we have very negative attitude towards learning English. Teachers misguide, and there is no environment, of course. And the fourth reason is grammar issues. What I have noticed, जैसे कि ये चार्ट आपको दिख रहा है, तो what हिंदी मीडियम स्टूडेंट्स डू इज अंत में ता है, ते है, ती है. हैव यू सीन दिस? तो ऐसा बनाएगा, गा है, गे है, गी है. हेलो, ही इज स्लीपिंग. अंत में गा है, गे है, गी है, तो वो ऐसा बनाएगा, सब्जेक्ट प्लस इज एम आर, सब्जेक्ट प्लस वाज वर्ड, सब्जेक्ट प्लस. This is not a practical idea to to speak English. Seriously, please do not sleep. This is not a good idea to speak English. So you should learn grammar conceptually. There is a process called active recall. You should follow. I have talked about it many times. In the next video, I'll talk about it, how to learn grammar. Active recall. We should follow active recall, and we should not mug up. We should learn through practical approach by following LSR RW technique, listening, speaking, reading and writing, that we have talked about many times. So we have very negative approach towards English. अब हिंदी मीडियम के बच्चे से जाके पूछिए इंग्लिश बोलोगे, नहीं इंग्लिश तो हमको नहीं आती है, लेकिन हम एगो ऐसा ट्रांसलेशन पूछ देंगे कि आप फेल हो जाइएगा. पूछिए छन्नू के घर पे 6 छछुंदर 6 दिनों से, अरे बाबू इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग का इतनी भारी ट्रांसलेशन से क्या लेना देना है. I mean, English translations, if you comparing Hindi with English 100%, that's not possible. So you have to use some logic, some senses and all. लेकिन हिंदी मीडियम के अब चूंकि गुरुजी लोग ऐसा सिखा देते हैं, 5 भयंकर ट्रांसलेशंस, 5 भयंकर वॉइस एंड नरेशन, कि बच्चे उसी में उलझे रह जाते हैं. They do not focus to translations. They do not focus to a practical approach that can help them to speak better and proper English. In the last, very important thing, they never listen. They never watch. They watch a lot. But you know what they watch? You know what they watch? Yeah, they watch a lot. But very different thing. Useless things, they are never useful. They should watch, good people, good English speakers. They should watch good movies in English. They should watch good serials in English. They should watch Ramayana, Mahabharat, Bal Ganesha, Chota Bheem, Little Krishna, so that they can watch such, serials and shows with their family members, so they can speak proper English. There will be mind conditioning. So what they do is they focus on grammar only, and that was a very third class idea. They simply mug up grammar and that's all. To tell me one thing, if you do not listen anything, if you do not speak, if you do not watch, if you do not talk, and you focus on grammar with that very third class idea, is this possible that you will be able to speak English? And most important thing, they ignore English in 10th, they ignore English in 12th, they ignore English in graduate, and they suddenly wake up when they go to get a job. Is this possible that they'll get job, they'll speak better English? Here, I don't want to tell you that speaking English means you should speak like British or American. No, it's not like that. It's just a mode of communication. तो आपको इतनी आ जानी चाहिए कि आपका काम हो जाए. लेकिन वो तब आएगा ना, when you focus there, seriously, you focus there, you have an strategy, you create environment. If you don't have, but I'm so sorry for telling all these things, but these are the reasons. If you do not improve yourself, you cannot speak English. I am so sorry. I did not want to make such videos, but at the end I had to make this video just to make you aware, to understand the reality. If you want to learn English sitting at your home without any support or any teacher, I would recommend you to do order this book. It has been, written by me. It's a wonderful book named Master English Language in 90 Days. Simply, you should download an app from Play Store from your Android phone named My Career Doctor. From there, you please visit and order this book. The cost is 249 rupees only, plus 100 rupees delivery charge and 9 rupees internet handling charge. You can order this book. Once you order this book, you will get free 90 days video access as well. That's going to be very nice and fantastic. Apart from that, you will get 2 days free spoken English session with our teachers. So for that, you need to join our Telegram group named My Career Doctor. I'm sure you will order this book. Will help you to teach English through a very nice way, a different way. Proper reading, speaking, and your understanding and writing ability, skill. This book will help you to enhance. Thank you very much for watching. Stay happy and be the best like always. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.